What's going on, everybody? So we got a 2003 GMC Sonoma. We had a horn issue, so every time we turned the wheel the horn would go off simultaneously. So what was going on is that our clock spring was broken. We ended up going and changing our steering column instead of just trying to change our clock spring, because we could get a full steering column for a lot cheaper than our clock spring. Anyways, so we replaced our steering column, have a new key, new lock cylinder, the whole 9 yards. So what's going on is the security light's coming on. We are going to go and do a relearn on the security for the 2003 GMC Sonoma with a 4.3. Alright, so we're in the vehicle here. We're going to turn the key forward. See the security light there, right up by the ABS? We're going to try and start this. And the security light's coming on. Well, it was flashing at us earlier. Oh, there we go. See, the security light's flashing at us. So what we're going to do is we're going to shut the key off. We tried starting this a few times, kind of finally figured out the issue. We are going to hook up our battery tender underneath the hood so we got a good charge. Alright, so we got our little battery tender here hooked up to our battery. We're gonna go see if we can't reset this. Okay, so they're telling you take the key, put it into the ignition and turn it forward and leave it for 10 minutes. Security light is going to flash and continuously flash, and then finally it's going to come solid. And then after a few seconds it should go out. After that, your light goes out, you shut your key off, you wait 10 seconds, you go to turn it back over, you crank it for a couple seconds, and you leave it in the run position. Your security light will stay on, or it'll flash, and then it'll come on solid, and then it'll go out. So after that, you go and after the light goes out, you shut your key off, you wait 10 seconds, you turn your key over, you try and start it, does not start, you leave it in the run position, and you wait until it's done flashing and going out. You do this 3 times, and on the 4th time, the truck should start. If not, you did something wrong or you have further problems. Just make sure to follow your work right and go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys all next time. Now after everything's done, we cycled the key 3 times. We did the relearn procedure 3 times. This is the 4th time, and everything should, now everything works. Starts out, starts up, everything works nice and good. Airbag's gonna stay on because we have a sensor disconnected. Other than that, it's working good.